started. Shh. Okay, going back to Schoology. So how many of you have used Canva? So good. Okay, that's a good amount of you. Some, about half have used it, half have not used it. This is how you're going to log into Canva. Right here in Schoology, when you open your Schoology, my class, it's going to say Canva for Education. You're going to tap on that. We all have access to Canva. You're going to launch your app. You're the only one. You're going to launch it. It should give you guys a big, what's it called? A bunch of like confetti and say, yay, you're at Cutler Bay Middle School. You have access to Canva. Your initials should appear at the corner right here, meaning that you have access to all the designs in Canva. I am going to show you my Canva. If I go home, you're going to notice that I have a couple of things that should look familiar to you. I do have several accounts, but what you're going to do today is you're going to learn how to use the basics of Canva. My goal is for every single one of you to create a one-page poster about one element. I highly suggest keep the element that you're going to use for your project. Okay, because this is going to be very basic, very plain, but it's just a start of what you're going to like be learning. Not only that, it's just a good way for you guys to learn and become familiar with Canva. So what you're going to do is you're going to search up all about, because it has a gazillion different types of templates. And I like this template. It's basic, simple enough for new users. Once you search it, these are all the templates that are going to show up. Obviously, guys, we're not doing it all about us or all about our friend or your dad. However, once you select a template, like I did, it's going to allow you to customize it, meaning that you can change it to whatever you want. Once you tap on this, this is what would show up. That's what we call a template. Everything is editable. That means if you tap on it, you can delete. Magic button. If I delete, I change my mind, undo your bestie. Right here, it comes back. I don't like this picture, I can delete it, okay? You can personalize it to your liking if you don't like the color of the background. Obviously, I'm a coastie. I always go for the blue. But if you like, I like that dark blue better, or I like the hot pink, I don't know, green, criminal justice. I got to be fair. So you're going to notice that it's all here. Customize, add information. On the side right here, you have elements, text, uploads. And I'm going to talk about these three buttons quickly. If I want to add a picture, I go to element. I just need to add. I'm going to do neon because that's the quickest thing for me. Everything's going to show up, everything possibly that they have on neon. A lot of stuff, actually. So I'm going to pick this for now. I don't like it. I can change my mind and delete. I am just going to show you quickly those three tools. If I want to add a text, I click on T.
You have to pay for most of the stuff in Canva?
Not if you're using the school version. It's because you have not been using the school version because of your issues. But we'll figure it out. I'm convinced that we're going to figure it out. So that's to add a text and then upload. Upload is amazing. Upload allows you to get a picture from any source, the internet, like for example, Google or any of your own photos, and you can just upload it. Now, I uploaded that from my computer. Obviously, I'm not going to use that. But I want to upload a picture from my photos. And I had the tile that I saved from Google. And here we go. It's here now in Canva. And you just do this. What if the picture's way too big? Well, that's why my little magic corners are for small, big. Okay, we can play around with that. And you place it wherever you want. You decide you don't like it, you delete. Yes?
But your dad is neon?
Yeah. So here's, let me go back to template. So at the end of the day, you're going to see, did I delete it? I do have one sample already made for you. I'm going to close and show you what is expected quickly. And like I told you guys, I have my own personal account. So, because I pay for mine. But teachers and students, Miami-Dade County, you guys have it free. Okay?
What
because I use it for a lot of personal reason, and you're going to see why. And Becca knows because I've been using it for years. Look, all of these are things that I've created. Yes.
Oh, there's something.
And some stuff that you will see that's familiar to you. Like I'm selling cotton candy. That's my flyer for cotton candy. This is how useful it is. People actually make money on Canva. Guys, you can have a side business doing that. Like making flyers, yes? Look, no, it's not. PowerPoint doesn't do flyers.
You have to pay for most of the stuff.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Not on the teacher, not on the student account. It's you. You're the only one that your thing is blocked. But anyway, there you go. Going back, this is what you're expected to complete. Ooh, right here. So obviously I picked a very basic element, neon. It's easy. So all I did is I found a tile. I put uses, physical properties, fun facts about neon. I do not need your flyer to have more than that because I am going to print them all from all 4 classes, put them outside, and do a gallery walk so that we can actually go and look at the elements and the tiles created by different people.
By atomic number, you should put them by atomic number.
I will try, definitely. Depending on some of us are probably going to do the same element, but that's okay because no one is ever going to do it exactly the same. So you're going to, if you want to, I'm going to leave this up. You're allowed to take a picture of it if you want to keep it on your iPad so that you can refer back to it. It is on Schoology, and you're creating a 1-page. I am going to advise you to search the all about and use an all about template so that it can already be styled for you. I've had people to tell me, can I do it from scratch? Yeah, I'm sure you can, but I'd rather use a template for today because we need it fast. Well, it's due. If you don't finish it in class, it becomes your homework. So tomorrow, I'm going to be checking.